Here is another principle of design which is called alignment. So why does alignment actually is so important? Because we are all humans and this is built into our nature, or it is in our natural psychology, human psychology, is that we love symmetry. So something, when it is aligned to something else, we like that. When something is arranged in a symmetry, in symmetrical form, in a rectangle, in a circle, we love that. Something is irregular or not in alignment, or you have put on things here and there on your design, we are not going to like it. So this is very important, and I have seen a lot of designers doing alignment wrong. They don't know how to align different items, and when you have a good alignment in your design, it is going to look balanced. So this is very important. Now let's talk about balance, symmetry and alignment a bit in more detail. The first thing is that if you are trying to center align your text, you are center aligning your buttons, you are center aligning everything in your design, versus the designs where you are using edge alignment, either on the left side, edge to edge alignment, or the right side. So the alignment on the edge to edge alignment, it is going to win. So every time if you try to align your text on the left side or on the right side, they are going to look more powerful than the centered alignment layout. So make sure that you try to align your text and your headings and your images in one invisible line. So keep that in mind. Similarly, if you can use shapes, you can use patterns, you can repeat that alignment to create symmetry. So if something is similarly done on the left column of your design, on the left side of your design, you can repeat that and create a pattern, similar pattern on the right side. So this is going to look more balanced. So try to create similar patterns, similar shapes, similar layouts, and repeat them. Use repetition to align and balance your design. Try to create symmetry in it. Another concept is visual weight alignment, which is that you are going to align your things on the base of their visual weight. So how heavy it is. So if you look at these two examples at the bottom, you can see the red one is an irregular shape between different similar shapes, which are blue ones. So actually I used mathematical calculation by using Photoshop and try to center align it in the top. Over here you can see the spacing between the top one looks odd. So if you look closely at this red section, the red shape, you can see that the circle on the right side and the left side, they are not having equal amount of space. Also you can see that it looks like it is more at moving at the top, and it is more heavy on the top than the bottom. So you can see this is going to happen. This is called visual weight alignment. So you are going to use your eyes, your designer's eyes, and you are going to align it using not using the math, but ignoring it. So you are going to use some of your art brain and you are going to align it better. So now you can see at the bottom over here, I have tried to align the spacing between them using my eyes or visual weight alignment, and you can see they are looking more balanced. Also, I have tried to move this red section a bit down so it looks more balanced than before. So this is another concept which is called visual weight alignment. It is also related to symmetry and balance, and I hope you have learned a lot about symmetry and alignment. Let's see some examples. Let's move on to the next lesson.